Squad. Oh my gosh. Welcome or welcome back. I am so glad to have you guys. Thank you so much. I know I have been MIA and forgive me for that. Got a lot going on. But today we have something very special that I'm excited about and been waiting on it. I ordered this from Amazon. As you can tell, Modelones has done it again. They have stepped up their little game and now they're on the full cover tips and nail glue gel as well. So I am going to start unboxing this. But before I unboxing, I have to give this wonderful shout out to this wonderful darling here. Thank you for being one of my first 3 to comment, and you made the comment of the week. Love you, Anisa Green. You are such a great supporter, and we got to give you that shout out. For all my other subscribers, I want to give you a shout out as well because you guys rock. We're at 71. I appreciate the love, support, the comments, you know, the likes. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. You're one in a million. Love you guys. Virtual hugs and kisses. Thank you so much. Here we have, starting off in a kit, we have our acrylic nail tip kit manual, and basically it tells you step by step on how to do their little nail set. Inside of here, we're going to take this out and we're going to see what all comes in it. It comes with 5 styles ABS tips, 240 pieces French tip guides times 2. So I'm assuming there's 2 in this pack, and it's just different tips that you can use to do French tips with. You also get some mirror chrome powder, look like with an applicator brush. This is what it's looking like, and it's their 01. And it comes with a little applicator brush. You get a mini hand file, and yep, it comes times 2, so you do get 2 of these tip guides. You get some 240 pieces of ABS tips, and this is what it's looking like, you guys. And there's 5 different styles. 5 different styles. You have 5 different shapes. It contains long and short coffin, almond, square, stiletto. So, it comes in 5 different. It has a no trace tip or white lines when you bend it. So we're going to take out one of these, and we're going to set that to the side. And we're going to open one of these just to see, take it to the test, put it to the test, guys. Set that aside. And this is what it's looking like, and I done pop one off, which is fine. They do have numbers on the tip of them. You guys can see. This is a number 11, and we're gonna give it the bend test. It said no white lines. Well, it did at the cuticle part, but it's okay. This is no bending. This is not. It's not budget. Very durable. These are ABS, as they say. Okay, so see. They're shine clear high gloss press on nails, lightweighted, easy to apply and easy to remove. Okay, we are going into the next one. It's a portable nail lamp. Smallest but high efficiency, great for traveling. You get 5,000 hours of lifetime, and it does have a lifetime satisfaction guarantee if you contact the company. It has 3 bulbs, and it's not giving me the watts. I looked and I did not find the watts, but it is 20% smaller than the other mini lamps that you normally see. The drying time is 20% faster than other lamps that you normally see that's mini like this. So this is what they're claiming. It looks like it has your little plug. You do have to get your own cord to plug into the wall, but yes, this is what it looks like. Very cute. I do love that it has much wider space than other ones. I am liking this. It does cut on, cut off. We're gonna test it here in a second to see the power that it has and how it operates. All right, this next thing that we're going with is No More Traditional Nail Glue Gel. It is a 6-in-1 multifunction nail glue gel. Safe for the skin, for the nail glue, has base coat, it's a top coat, an extension gel, a blooming gel, a nail strengthener, low smell. Not no smell, but low smell. But I always like to test it out. It claims to last for 20 to 30 days. Easy to apply and easy to remove. I love the consistency already, you guys. Look at that. Very thick. Thick, 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 thick. Thick, 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 thick. Yeah. Look at that. It's taking, it's dropping in there. I like that. It's real thick. So now I'm going to smell it. It doesn't have a smell. Very, very light. And it kind of just smells like a mild glue. This, oh, okay. Modelones. This video is not sponsored. Let me tell you that now. I bought this with my own coins, and I wanted to unbox with you guys. Because, like I said, I have been on this trend lately with these full cover nail tips from different companies. So when I see Modelones have one, I had to go grab it. And it is $20 on the Amazon site. I don't know how much it is on Modelones. I had the sales not going on. They had a I think it was 40% coupon for it, so I got it probably $11-12. But yes, okay, so that's what that is on that. Like I said, we are going to test out our little nail lamp here, mini nail lamp. See what it does, how it performs. And I'm assuming that it's 30 seconds because that's what it's saying, that it has 30 seconds. Okay, now we have it plugged up. Let's cut it on. Ta-da. I'm gonna blind you guys, but there's the three little, and it does shut off. So the switch does give it an on and off, shut off valve time. So, excuse me, you can shut it on and shut it off. You know, I reviewed one that did not, could not shut it off. You had to wait till the timer went off. So this is pretty neat. I like this Modelones, I really do. So they say it's more powerful than a lot of the other mini lamps, but we have to see. Because I don't know if anyone can stand up to the Pottle mini UV lamp, but we're going to see. It could be a game changer. So there we go. Nice little lamp. Okay. And like I said, we're gonna check out the little chrome powder that it came with it. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. Nice. And it has like an eyeshadow applicator that you can rub the chrome into. So I'm assuming they can use this as well to rub in chrome. So that was a nice little thing that they did. They threw in some nail art. We appreciate that. Modelones, very, very much so. You have your feel like 100 and 180 grit mini file, and like I said, it came with your basic application. It basically tells you, give you tips on how to do things, give you the steps on how to do things, and then it has your Q&A. You know, basically, if you have any questions, it's basically breaking it down. So we are going to be doing this in an upcoming tutorial, putting these together because I have so many of them that I need to put to the test with the beetles. So we are going to, this is everything that it comes with. Every application gives you the different options. There's 240 pieces. So I love that they give you options, just the tips alone. You know, they made it a little bit more fun. So you guys, that's the end of the unboxing. Thank you guys for rocking with me, and I will most definitely be getting back in, and we're gonna do some tutorials. We got some tutorials coming up on some nails, so stay tuned. Love you guys. I wish you best wealth, health, and prosperity, and stay safe out here. Alrighty, see you in the next video.